Dear future thin self, I can't even imagine you. I can't even imagine you. But I know that what you have done to get yourself here must have been an incredible challenge, and at times nearly unbearable. That's the only thing I can imagine. And I need you to promise me that you won't go back to this. Because this is killing you. It's killing you. This disease is killing you. And you are so worth saving and having a good life. So please, don't go back to this. Don't take that first bite. Don't waver. Because I need to believe in you, and I need to know that you are going to be there and be successful. I'm miserable at this weight. I am miserable. Every morning I wake up and I'm in aches and pains all over. My foot is starting to hurt me now in ways it never has. The top left part of my foot that my doctor and I both believe is probably something to do with heading towards diabetes. It is so laborious to walk up one flight of stairs. And I have so many headaches that I can't watch Griffin just have time and not spend multiple days having to take naps because of my head. I'm staying up late, binge watching TV too. And I'm so scared of starting this journey, or taking this next step on the journey. Just please know this is not okay. It's not okay to be like this. It's not okay. And you have to fight to keep going. You have to fight every single day. You have to choose you and choose us. And choose life. You have to choose life. You're worth it. You're worth never having another bite of pizza. Never having another bite of bread. If that's what this takes, and it is what it takes. It is what it takes. Every single day, one day at a time, every single day. I love you, and I'm proud of you for starting this, and I'm proud of you if you're watching this and you are thinner and healthier. I'm so proud of you. I love you. And I know you love me.